Hello, amazing star. Welcome to class. Now we are in lesson 14, and it says I can model subtraction of 9 from 10 numbers. Yes. Now we're going to be looking at the 5 group flash. When I snap, say the number that you see. When I snap again, say the partner to 10. For example, I have 1, right? I'm snapping, I have 1. Now I want to snap again. You tell me the partner to 10. That means 1 and what will make 10? That will be 1 and 9. So you say 9. Very good. Let's try another number. Yes, we have 5. Now I'm snapping again. 5. Very good, because 5 and 5 will make 10. 5 and 5 are partners of 10. Very good. The next, 8. Now I want to snap again. 2, because 8 and 2 will make 10. Very good. I'm snapping. 6. I'm snapping again. 4, because 6 and 4 make 10. Very good. Snapping. 2. I want to snap again. 8, because 2 and 8 make 10. Now I'm snapping. I have 9. I want to snap again. Tell me the partner to 10. 1, because 9 and 1 we make 10. Very good. Now I'm snapping. I have 4. Let me snap again. 6, because 4 and 6 make 10. Very good. Now I have 7. Very good. Now I want to snap again. 3, because 7 and 3 make 10. But for yourself, we have some more. Yes, 3. Now I want to snap again. 7, because 3 and 7 makes 10. Very good. Now the last, we have 10. So let me snap again. 0, because 10 and 0 will still give me 10. 10 and 0 make 10. Very good. Clap for yourself. That was so much fun. Alright, we have application problem to solve. Now it says Sarah has 6 blue beads in a bag and 4 green beads in a pocket. She gives away the 6 blue beads and 3 green beads. Now, how many beads does she have left? Sarah has 6 blue beads in a bag and 4 green beads in a pocket. She gives away the 6 blue beads and 3 green beads. How many beads does she have left? So quickly let's solve that. Now 6 blue beads first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 4 green beads, all for her, all for Sarah. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now she gives away the 6 blue beads and 3 green beads. So she gives away the 6 blue beads and 3 green beads. Now how many beads does she have left? Just 1. And what's the number sentence for that? 10 minus 9 equals 1. How is it 10? Because the total number of beads she has before were 10. Because 6 and 4 will make 10. So 10 minus how many? 9. Because 6 and 3 that she gave out is 9. So 10 minus 9 equals what's left? Just 1. Very good. Alright, now Cheyenne has 12 eggs. He uses 9 of them to make breakfast for his family. He loves egg a lot. Now, how many eggs are left? 12 eggs, and he uses 9 of them to make breakfast. So that means 9 is going out. I will draw my 12 in the same way. That's 10 and 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And what? 2. So 1, 2. Right? Now this is 12 eggs. Now he uses 9 of them to make breakfast for his family. So I'm going to cross out my 9 from 10. So I'm crossing out. Yes. What is left? 1, 2, 3. So that means the number sentence becomes 12 minus, how many went out? 9 equals to what's left? 1, 2, 3. So 3 is my answer. So that means 3 eggs are left. After using 9 of the eggs to make breakfast for his family, he has 3 eggs left. Very good. Alright, now let's take one more before we go. Now, Mrs. Smith had 14 board games in her classroom. She let a teacher down the hall borrow 9 of her games. She let a teacher down the hall borrow 9 of her games. Now, how many games are left in Mrs. Smith's classroom? So she has 14. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's 10 and what 4? Because 10 and 4 is 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, she let the teacher down the hall borrow 9 of her games. So that means 9 is going out. So I'll cross out my 9. Yes. So how many is left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means 14 minus 9. Yes, 9 went out equals what's left? 5. Very good. Alright. Now let's take one more story before we move on to problem set. Now, there were 17 carts in an old barn. 9 of the carts wandered away. How many carts are still in the old barn? So 17 before, that means 10 7. So I will draw my 17 in the C10 way. 10 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 what? 7. So 7 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. It said 9 of the carts wandered away. Yes, I'll cross out my 9 as usual. Yes. How many carts are still living in the old barn? How many carts are still living in the old barn? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. So that means 17 minus 9. I went out, I wandered away, equals to what? 8 that are still living in the old barn. Alright. Now, most of the problems we have done are examples of 10 being a friendly number. Do you love 10? Yes. When we take a number away from 10, we'll call it the take from 10 strategy. Yes. Whenever you take a number away from 10, you call it the take away from 10 strategy. You are crossing out, or you are taking away, or you are removing from 10. You are taking away from 10. It's called a take from 10 strategy. Now here is our problem set. It says match the pictures with the number sentence. Match the pictures with the number sentences. Now A is what? 11 minus 9 equal to 2. So which of these pictures matches this number sentence? 11 minus 9 equal to 2. Is it this? Is it this? No. What about this one? Yes, because I have 11 as my whole and I crossed out 9 and 2 is left. So I will simply match this to this. Do you see that? Now the next number sentence I have is 14 minus 9 equals 5. So where do I have 14 as my whole? Can we look for that? Yes, I can see it right here. So I'll draw my line. Yes, because I have 14 as my whole and I'm crossing out 9 boxes. Now let's move on. See, we have 16 minus 9 equals 7. So where do I have 16 as my whole? Can we look for that? Yes, it's up here. So I'll draw my C to this place because I have 16 as my whole, and I'm crossing out 9 circles from there. Now, number sentence D. 18 minus 9 equals 9. Where do I have 18 as my whole? Can we look for 18 as the whole? Yes, I've seen it. Right here, you can see 18 is the whole, and I'm crossing out 9, so I'll simply match this to this. The last, letter E. 17 minus 9 equals 8. Where do I have 17 as my whole? What's left here? This one. Very good. So I'll simply match letter E, number sentence, to this picture. Wow, that's interesting. Yes, so we can match for me by yourself. Yes, I know you can do that. Okay, so that is going to be all for today's class. I'll see you in our next lesson. Take care of yourself. Bye.